doing?
Boy.
Jeez.
Boy.
Let me see you sit and kick your legs. Kick your legs, kick your legs.
But not four.
Were you kicking your legs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sit down on your little chair. Kick your legs, kick your legs, kick your legs.
Now stand up, then go down. Then kick your legs. You can do whatever you want.
Yay!
Are you done, Mom?
Just a minute.
Okay. Hey, Kate. Can you watch me? Okay, are you gonna open the drawer? Yeah. Ooh, what did you